everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So we have no shortage of amazing deodorants to choose from already. And now we have another one from one of our great brands, Alchemist. This is a little different though. We have only a couple that are like a liquid roll-on, looks like that. So it's a roller ball that's a liquid like that. So the other two that we have that are like this are Triumph and Disaster and Recipe for Men. So just a quick little body odor 101. Body odor is primarily caused by the formation of bacteria in your underarms, and that's what causes body odor. So any sort of alcohol-free, aluminum-free deodorant is going to have to contain ingredients that not only make you smell good through some sort of scent, but also help to eliminate the source of odor, which is bacteria. And this is pretty much what this product is about. So it is alcohol, aluminum-free, and then it contains a few very unusual, interesting ingredients that I have never heard of before, but that are all intended to be antimicrobial, antifungal, antibacterial. So those three key ingredients are Icelandic MASC extract polysaccharides, sage extract, and then it also contains something called glycyrrhizinic acid, which is derived from licorice. So those three ingredients are going to help to minimize body odor by eliminating bacteria. So in terms of scent, what do those things smell like? Well, not sure, but the scent actually is sandalwood and orange, so it's got like a woodsy, citrusy kind of scent to it. It smells quite good, I like it. And it's effective too. So if you're looking to try something a little different in the sense that it's a liquid roll-on, definitely check this out as well as the other ones that we have on the site. I quite like liquid roll-ons every now and then too. So yeah, the Alchemist roll-on deodorant, check it out, shopmask.com, and of course come see it in the shop if you are in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.